Welcome to our video on the 3 best exercises to lose belly fat after 50. As we age, losing belly fat can become more challenging, but with the right exercises, it's definitely possible. Exercise 1. Walking is a great low-impact exercise that can help burn calories and reduce belly fat. Not only does walking help with weight loss, but it also improves cardiovascular health and strengthens muscles. Exercise 2. Planks are an effective way to tone your core muscles and reduce belly fat. Planks also help improve posture, balance, and stability, making them a great all-around exercise for those over 50. Exercise 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a great way to boost metabolism and burn belly fat. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods, making it a time-efficient workout option. Incorporating these exercises into your routine along with a healthy diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to losing belly fat, so make sure to stay committed to your workout regimen. Whether you're walking, planking, or doing HIIT, the important thing is to keep moving and stay active. Don't forget to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. So, get out there and start incorporating these exercises into your daily routine to see results. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your fitness goals and lose that stubborn belly fat. Thank you for watching our video on the 3 best exercises to lose belly fat after 50. We hope you found these tips helpful and are inspired to take action towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's never too late to start working towards a fitter, healthier you. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and advice to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on fitness, health, and wellness. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.